Thermo Aspen, the beach buggy of the cladding world. Beautiful, long-lasting, and brilliant in the heat. In this video, we're going to break down everything you might need to know if you're looking at purchasing some cladding and you're considering Thermo Aspen. And we'll timestamp all the different sections on this line below. So feel free to skip ahead to a certain section if there's a particular bit of information you're after. Species information. Thermally modified timber has been on the rise for the last few years, and Thermo Aspen is one of the latest timbers to join the roster. Marketed as a premium quality timber with a high yield and low to minimal defects, Thermo Aspen has many unique features that makes it the timber of choice for many sauna manufacturers. It has low thermal conductivity, meaning it's very comfortable to touch in high temperatures. It has no sticky resin or sap, is silky smooth to touch, and is incredibly stable over repeated heat and humidity cycles. As a result, Thermo Aspen is cool, comfortable, and clean, an ideal combination for sauna manufacturers. This timber has also undergone the thermal modification process, involving a chemically free intense heating and steaming process, resulting in a changed cellular structure by removing most of the moisture and the sugars. You can see evidence of this thermal modification as the timber has become slightly darker in colour, giving it that awesome bronzed or burnt crisp look. The result is a timber that's incredibly stable over long periods of time through repeated heat and humidity cycles. As our Aspen has been thermally treated, it can be suitable for outdoor use as well as internal use. If you're going outside, you're going to want to use an oil or a finish such as Osmos 420. However, in 99% of cases, this will or should be used internally. Appearance and grading. Thermo Aspen has a rich and warm mid to dark brown colour, comparable to a strong latte maybe. While all timbers are natural products and there will be variation in colour from board to board, Thermo Aspen is no different. However, it does have a much higher consistency from board to board than other timbers. We don't have a particular grading for our Thermo Aspen, but as you can see, it has very low or minimal knots, making it a premium quality timber and a great choice. Cost. Thermo Aspen is one of our more expensive cladding options. Right now, it is currently priced between Cedar and Thermo Aus. The prices of all of our timbers vary from month to month, so be sure to head on over to the website where you can see the price per metre, the price per square metre, and if you click into the product and scroll down, you'll see the price of every single length that we have in stock. Durability. Thermo Aspen's lifespan will depend greatly on its environment and usage, but it is considered a long-lasting sauna material as it performs very well under repeated cycles of heat and humidity. And in a properly installed and ventilated sauna that dries between sessions, it can remain stable for many years. Sizes and profiles. We currently have just 4 profiles in Thermo Aspen, 2 cladding options in a narrower and a wider size, and 2 rounded bench profiles in again the narrower and the wider size. First, we have our 15x90 channel groove option, and this is our more narrow cladding option. We then have our wider 15x120 channel groove option, and this is our wider cladding profile. Both of these can be fitted vertically or horizontally. We then have our bench slats, which are plain door round boards with soft rounded corners. First up is our narrower 28x90 PAR, and you can see that here. And then we have our wider 28x120 bench slat as well. Each of these have their own set of lengths, so be sure to click onto the product, scroll down, and you'll be able to see a drop down of all the lengths that we currently have in stock. Handling and fitting. Our Aspen customers are primarily sauna manufacturers, so we do not directly install the products themselves, and the information can vary from manufacturer to manufacturer. Stainless steel pins or screws are the most common ways of fixing it. However, some manufacturers use glue as well as the pins. Bench seats would normally be fixed from underneath to hide any fixings. Maintenance. Thermo Aspen is generally considered a low maintenance cladding for saunas. As such, we would only recommend that the sauna is well ventilated and allowed to dry properly between sessions. Sustainability. All of our Thermo Aspen is FSC certified, and that means it comes from sustainably managed forests. So Thermo Aspen is a good eco-friendly choice for all you eco warriors out there. Ordering. To order, just scroll below this video and you'll be able to see a drop down of all the lengths we have in stock. Simply add as many as you need to the basket and then check out for our next working day collection or our fast delivery service. If you're booking in for collection, we should be able to do most of it for the next working day. Just select the date and the time you'd like to arrive and we'll have that ready for you. For delivery, we'll need a window of a few working days to get that to you. If you want to order for a few weeks in advance, just select no when it says if you want the fastest delivery and then choose the day you'd like your delivery window to start from. If there's any specific days you can or can't take, just be sure to put them in the delivery notes and we'll pass that on to transport for you. Any further questions, feel free to chat to us on live chat, send us an email or give us a call and we'd be happy to help you out through any of those mediums. Thank you so much for watching and welcome to your beautiful new Thermo Aspen sauna.